West Virginia right now. You pump your gas and then you pay. Some old stuff around here. Alright, let's go paint. Alrighty, we're in North Carolina right now. My brother's helping me jack up the car. So basically, what happened is at this intersection over here, there's like a little curb. It looks like one of these roadblocks right here. I just changed the wipers, but I had no wipers left. So hit it a little bit, got up to like 45 miles an hour and smoked the little roadblock thing. But I'll show you guys the tire real quick. There's the tire. Good little blowout right here. So we'll be back in Michigan here soon and get some new tires on and all the way around. I'll show you guys a video of the exhaust here soon. Sounds pretty good. A little issue, defect right there, defect right there. It's 20 years old, so it's gonna have stuff like that, but it's pretty fast. So whoever wants to race, leave it in the comments below. I'll race anybody. 10 hours later, we're finally getting the tires gone. We got the blown one off, a new tire put on just to get us back to Michigan. We're getting another one put back on just because it's all wheel. We don't want to throw it off, but should be good after this. We'll start hitting the road and be home in about 12 hours or so. Shout out to Tires RS. If you guys are from North Carolina, come out here. Cool as fuck. I couldn't pull up there though because I scraped. I almost ripped my bumper off. Alright, so we just got tires. And I started leaving to head home. Once again. The intercooler hose broke off. I don't know if you guys can see that. Now we're stuck just fixing this intercooler. Once we get her back on the road, hopefully this is the last time we have to do anything to it for the rest of our trip, but who knows? Maybe something will go, but be a project car. We're having a fun little project car, so who knows? Just so you guys know, I got the haircut, of course. About to tune the car, throw it on the 85. It's a 93 right now, so. All right, we're gonna attempt this. So, hold on one second.
The yellow pump and the banana.
Grab some gas. So cheap. It's gonna be so nice. Super fast. Curious to see how it goes, but always get those receipts. Haha, just kidding. Alrighty, we're gonna see how she performs. Yellow handle for the banana, the mustard bottle. Alright. The whole process. E85. There's the memory layout. Shows that it's connected. Sorry about the flash, I don't know why it's on. Alright, let's full rate it.
Okay. Fingers crossed. Is this?
I apologize, everyone. Forgot to get the start up. But she is now corn fed. have to get some videos up tomorrow, and we'll upload this video here soon. Get some new wheels here soon. Change it up a little bit. Get some tint. New windshield. Stay tuned. This thing's gonna be so much fun. Definitely gonna be crazy though.